I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open Mainstage and create a concert so you have a container for your patches. You start by choosing a template or a blank patch. This gives you a channel strip already routable to outputs. Next, set your audio interface and sample rate so latency and CPU behave predictably, and route the input on the channel strip to the correct input channel. Once done, name the patch and save the concert. This keeps your initial setup repeatable and avoids lost routing work. Now construct the sounds you'll play. Add instrument, audio, or aux channel strips and choose instruments or amp sims. You do this so each sound has its own signal chain and effects. Layer instruments when you need splits or stacking. Then map MIDI controllers and smart controls to parameters like filter cutoff and reverb send. This makes live adjustments fast. Also set gain staging for each strip and lock outputs. After mapping, test with your controller to confirm notes and CCs respond correctly. Finish by organizing patches into a setlist and assigning song changes, playback controls, and tempo maps so your performance flows without menu diving. Once organized, save the concert and create a backup copy. Make sure your buffer, sample rate, and CPU preferences favor live stability rather than studio latency. If you encounter dropouts, first increase the audio buffer, then update drivers and Mac OS, and finally freeze or replace CPU-heavy plugins. That one troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.